So friends, I am going to show you some acupressure point for the knee pain. I am going to use here, so this is surgical tape. You can get it on Amazon also or any medical shop. And this is Dana methi seeds, and that's it. This is two things what you need it. I have prepared it. I made a line of Dana methi strips on this surgical tape and cut the piece. I am going to take my left hand. You can take right or left, whatever you want. The second joint from the nail. Leave the first joint, not here, but the second joint. These nerves are connected to your knees. So the second finger and the third finger, we are going to use from the thumb. Leave the index finger, the second finger and the third finger on the second joint. Take this Dana methi strip and you are going to put it here and stick the tape like this. Press it. After every 1 hour, please press it. After 24 hours, throw the strip. So I have prepared and kept 2 strips like this. These are simple. Just keep it straight and put it. And keep it around. If you have pain in both the knees, do it in both the fingers. The second point, this is according to Sujok therapy. Second point, from index finger come down and from thumb come down. So this is the point which is meeting point for both the fingers. It's approximately here. Liver 4. Key point, works for many things. I have taken a small piece of surgical tape. On that some 3 to 4 Dana methi I have stuck. I'm going to put it here, paste it and press it. So after every 1 hour, please press it. And after 24 hours, throw these seeds and take fresh seeds. Do it as per the severity of your knee pain. How much ever severe it is, you might have to do it for 2 months, 3 months, minimum 15 to 20 days it might take. It's not a magic, these are not chemicals, these are improving or activating your body's own healing capacities. So you have to keep little patience, but this is really going to show you the result. And with this, if we add some yoga exercise, these are going to be even more wonderful. Another point for the knee pain, to reduce the knee pain, is located in your feet. From first and second toe, in between, see the tender part. Come down around from where they are meeting, from there around 1.5 inch down. Come here and press it where you feel maximum pain. This is liver 3. This also kind of master point and works not only one ailment but many ailments. Press it here. Give some mild compression clockwise and anti-clockwise. You can, just to show you, I'll make a mark there. Again, I have taken surgical tape with 3 to 4 methi dana seeds. I'm going to press those seeds on that particular point and leave it. Same way, I'm going to press them after every 1 hour. And see, I'm sure you will start getting relief in your knee pain between 15 to 20 days. So first exercise for knee pain is to stretch your feet forward and backward. Forward, hold and backward. Continue for around 20 rounds and feel the stretch on your knees. Second exercise is to open your feet, keep them around a feet apart, bring them to the center and take them back. Continue. Bring them to the center and take them back. Include very deep inhalation and exhalation. Breathe in. Exhale slow and longer. Inhale. Exhale slow and longer. Again continue around 20 counts. Third exercise, bring both the feet together and make circles with the feet with super deep breathing. Super deep, super calm and relaxed breathing. Opposite side, around 10 counts clockwise and 10 counts anti-clockwise. So the next exercise is to twist your toes. This is again one way of acupressure. So your toes holds lot of secrets. So you can start from the tiny toe and just give a nice twist with super deep breathing from top to bottom and on the top part towards your nail around 30 seconds with super deep breathing. Just keep giving a twist. This also you can do it around 3 times. This is very safe and it will work not only on knee pain but on many things. Second toe, a good blood supply to your whole feet, leg, knee. Third toe, remember 30 counts, 30 deep breath from top to bottom. Fourth toe, and last big toe. Do the same for the other feet also. Super deep breathing, good twisting from top to bottom. Next exercise is kneecap pulling. So just keep it here, keep your knee straight, stretch it and then just pull up your kneecap and release with deep breathing, super deep breathing. Slowly inhale, pull up your kneecap, relax and release. Just focus on this area and observe the movement. Inhale, hold and relax. At one time with complete focus on one leg. Do the same for the other leg. Keep your hands here, pull up your kneecap. Just observe the movement carefully. Just the kneecap. Pull up and release and deep breathe. Next exercise, below your knee ball, below the bone, there is a small, you will feel, if you feel it carefully, you will find a small round muscle. Hold that round muscle. You have to take some effort to find. Below the knee bone, there is towards inside, towards the feet, towards the other leg, not the outward. There is a small ball of muscle. Hold it carefully and take it up and down with deep breathing, right and left, both the sides, and towards the end, rotate it with super deep breathing, clockwise and anti-clockwise. This will really help you a lot. We'll move to another exercise. Take both the palms. Keep them on each other in this way, not just casually. So I want you to keep one palm on other and then keep on your knee and massage it gently. No oil, nothing. Just like that. Clockwise 21 times and anti-clockwise 21 times with super deep breathing. Your breathing makes 50% difference to the exercise what you are doing. If you are doing them casually, the effect will be 50%. If you do with the deep breathing, the effect will be more. So other knee, same way, you can change the palm, that doesn't matter. Clockwise and anti-clockwise. Give a nice massage. Your palms are a good receiver of energy, and that energy will be beautifully absorbed by your knees. And relax. And last exercise is to fold your knee and relax. Exhale, bring it close to your chest and relax. We'll interlock our fingers. Keep it below the knee so it's easy for you to stretch it upright and relax. Deep exhale, inhale and stretch it. So we are going to do that around 10 times, both the sides. You can start with 5 counts, depends on the intensity of your knee pain. If you're fine, you can start with 10 rounds, but if it is hurting you a lot, maybe you can start with 5 counts and gradually increase to 6, 7, 8 and 9. And so these are the few basic things we have done. Acupressure point to the middle finger, both of the middle finger and the ring finger towards the second joint, LI4 point, LI3 point, toe twisting, all the rotation and movements for your feet, toe twisting for all the toes, kneecap pulling, palm massaging, roller of the knee inside, the muscles rolling of the knee inside, and the last one, hold your knee, stretch it and fold and relax. So if you do these few basic exercises every day diligently, almost 3 times a day, including your acupressure, you can start seeing a difference in your knee pain. It will relax almost more than 50 to 60%. Thank you.